In this video, I'm going to show you how to make big text in Discord mobile. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Discord on your device and sign in to your Discord account. Once you're signed into your Discord account, go ahead and head over to the server or conversation where you want to send a big text to. Make sure that the Discord app on your device is up to date to ensure that this would work for you. So in here, go ahead and click on the text section. Go ahead and enter a hashtag, space the text that you want to enter in big text, and click on the send button to send this text. Now, once you send this text with the hashtag before the text and a space, you'll be able to create a big text. So go ahead and click on the send button, and this would work for any text that you want to enter on the server in bigger sizes. Creating a big text on Discord mobile will help you highlight important parts of a text that you want to send on your server or a conversation that you have with a friend. This feature is extremely helpful when you're creating announcement for your servers, as this will allow you to highlight the title or the main idea of your announcement. And that's how you can simply make big text in Discord mobile.